Today, we're talking about the best upcoming phone from Samsung C series, the Samsung Galaxy C55 5G. This video will cover all the ins and outs of this phone, discussing its pros and cons. It's going to be an exciting one, so let's jump right in. And hey, if you enjoy this content, remember to like, subscribe, and drop a comment before we start. This smartphone, running on the latest Android OS 14 with the sleek One UI 6, this device combines power and elegance seamlessly. It's a hybrid dual-SIM smartphone, offering versatility in connectivity. Available in sleek black, it's a statement of sophistication. Samsung Galaxy C55 5G, boasting a spacious 6.67-inch OLED screen that delivers stunning visuals with a crisp resolution of 1080 x 2400 pixels, FHD+. Experience buttery smooth scrolling thanks to its impressive 120 Hz refresh rate. Let's talk about power. The Galaxy C55 5G packs an Exynos 1380 chipset, running on an octa-core processor. What does that mean? It means blazing fast performance for all your tasks, whether you're gaming, streaming, or multitasking. And guess what? It's not just fast, it's smart too. With 5nm technology, it's efficient, giving you more power while using less battery. Storage won't be a problem with this device. You've got options. Choose between 128 GB or 256 GB of internal storage. Plus, with 8 GB or 12 GB of RAM, multitasking is a breeze. But wait, there's more. Need even more space? No worries. The Galaxy C55 5G supports external storage up to a whopping 1 TB with a microSD card. Now, let's talk cameras. Get ready to capture every moment in stunning detail. With a 50MP primary lens, an 80MP ultra-wide lens, and a 2MP macro lens, your photos will be nothing short of amazing. And don't forget about selfies. The 13MP front camera ensures you look your best in every shot. Love recording videos? You're in luck. The Galaxy C55 5G lets you record in 4K at 30 fps or 1080p at 30/60 fps, so you can capture all your adventures in high definition. And of course, we can't forget about battery life. With a massive 5000 mAh battery, you'll have power that lasts all day and then some. And when it's time to recharge, the 25W quick charging gets you back up and running in no time. Security? Covered. The Galaxy C55 5G features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for fast and secure unlocking. Plus, you've got other sensors like accelerometer, gyro, and proximity sensor to enhance your experience. Oh, and did I mention it's IP67 dust and water resistant? That means you can take it with you wherever you go, rain or shine. And last but not least, convenience features like face unlock and NFC make your life easier than ever. So there you have it, folks, the Samsung Galaxy C55 5G, packed with features to take your smartphone experience to the next level. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content like this.